ArroChem is a custom chemical manufacturing operation, and we've been in the Charlotte, North Carolina area for about 50 years. Over those years, we've developed a wide range of formulas that can be customized to meet customer-specific needs and applications.
ArroChem offers a variety of different chemical solutions. We do both dry and liquid blending in small tanks as far as one drum batch to several drums up to 5,000 gallons. We also offer a small packaging line. So we can do 16 ounces container sizes. We can do 1 gallon, 5 gallon, 55 gallon drums, totes, as well as tanker trucks.
ArroChem is a boutique chemical company that treats all of their customers like they are their only customer. Whether it's a 1 drum order or a 100 drum order, we treat them the same.